how to remove background noise in Audacity. Here's how it works. You want to load up Audacity and then either import your audio track or record it. I'm just going to record one as an example here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you subscribe. Alright, so this is what it's going to sound like currently. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you subscribe. Alright, so if you want to remove background noise, first you have to select a quiet part of your audio. Right here, this is going to be the background noise section, which I have. Depending on your audio, you can zoom in and then select just a part of the audio which is quiet, like so. Then you will click on Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and then you want to click on Noise Reduction. From here, first you will click on Get Noise Profile. This is just gonna analyze the background noise. Then you want to highlight the entire track, Effect, Noise Removal, Noise Reduction. In here you can play around with the settings, but I'm just gonna leave it like so, and you can preview it. Testing. As you can see, it sounds clearer, or as you can hear. And once you click on OK, as you can see, it just adjusted the audio a little bit, so this changed. And if we listen to it, testing, 1, 2, 3, it should sound crisper. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.